This is exactly what we want, our fillets.
Begin by placing your thumb at the base of the spine, taking off the head and the guts. Put your thumb along the spine and rub it down the length of the spine until you fillet your fish. From here, reach in and grab the spine with 2 fingers and peel it out all the way. Now go to the back of the fish and remove the back fin and you're set. We'll show you again here. Grab the spine with 2 fingers so that you can easily begin to pull the whole spine out. Rubbing the opposite finger and thumb down the spine helps to release the whole spine.
Don't forget, in the back,
take out the upper little fin.
look at our beautiful fillets. This is exactly what we want.